Sie möchten ein billiges Auto kaufen.
Whenever the basic terms, whenever any adjective ends with ig, sure sound I told you, na. But whenever
Delicious.
the endings, now the endings, whenever they will be attached or comparative form is there, then it moves into g. Billiges, billiga. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
billiger.
This rule you have to remember, and this is valid for all the other adjectives which end with ig.
Okay. Sie möchten ein billiges Auto kaufen.
You want to buy a
Cheapest auto.
no, no, this is not necessary. This is just
Bill,
ending. A cheap car.
a
This
cheap
is
car. Okay.
ending. Don't worry, it will not change the meaning. Okay. This
Mm,
you have to do in A2 level, no? Adjective
okay.
endings. Hmm.
Okay. Der Platz für gebrauchte Autos in Süd, Süd, Süddeutschland. Bei uns finden Sie auf 9000
Quadrat,
Meter,
Quadratmeter.
Quadratmeter. CA means?
And come and write its full form as well. This is circa. Circa means approximately. Circa
Circa.
is the short form of circa. Just like I told you, umso weiter short form, na? USW.
Ja,
This
circa.
short form is circa. That is also called, write these two also. Ungefähr and etwa. Not etwas, etwa.
Okay.
So write circa is equal to ungefähr is equal to etwa is equal to rund. Rund is around, na?
Rund. Okay.
Yeah?
Ja,
Okay.
ja.
Yeah.
So, der Platz für gebrauchte Autos in Süddeutschland. Bei Fund finden Sie auf 9000 Quadratmeter, circa
Circa.
1000,
Circa.
circa 1000 Autos ab 2000 Euro.
This is A and the bay is this one on the right side. Bay also read and
Okay.
then choose from A or a bay.
Okay. Mercedes, Ferrari, Porsche, Ihr Traumauto bei uns. Machen Sie eine Probefahrt, wir laden Sie ein.
Probefahrt, test drive.
Test drive, okay. We invite you.
Mm. So
Yeah, it is
A,
obviously B.
no, for the task, what suits A or a bay?
Yeah, they want to buy the cheapest car.
A cheap car.
A cheap car, yeah.
So
1000 autos from. Yeah, then place for, yeah, then
A is better because Mercedes, Ferrari, and Porsche doesn't fit our pocket, right?
yeah,
Was ist
branded.
Traumauto?
Yeah. Mm.
Was ist Traumauto? Dream car.
Oh,
Write in your copy. Das Traumauto. Traum, der Traum, the dream.
okay. Their Traum, the dream.
Now tell how will you call dream wife?
Dream life,
Wife.
Traum, Frau.
Dream work.
Traum, Arbeit.
Then Traum profession.
Traumberuf.
Gut. Traumarbeit, Traumberuf. And then dream apartment. That is Wohnung.
Traumwohnung.
Yeah. And then Traumjob is also Traumjob. Yeah.
Traumjob, yeah.
And dream house.
Traumhaus.
And now, see, hopefully you won't forget now der Traum, the dream.
Ja.
Okay, let's move on. Ja, Nummer 7 bitte.
Okay. Sie möchten am Abend Sport machen. I would like to do a sport in evening.
Yeah, evening is important. Na? You have to take that
Okay.
into consideration during
Okay.
choosing. Na?
Lauftreff in der Bürgerallee. Lust auf Bewegung mit Gleichgesinnten. Wir treffen uns jeden Montag und Mittwoch um 6:30 Uhr für 1 Stunde Morgensport. Die Gruppe Tischtennis im Park sucht begeisterte Ping-Pong-SpielerInnen. Treffpunkt Stadtpark, Eingang Ostenden, Dienstag 18:30 Uhr Price accent over prices. Okay,
Hmm.
B. B.
Yeah. So you see, there are very difficult words to be used here. No worries, we will
Uh,
learn them at A2 B1 level as well.
okay.
But as far as matching of timing is concerned, A1 level learner can do that just like you did. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Eingang is entrance, na? That
Ja,
you
okay.
already know. Okay. Nummer 8.
Okay. Ihre Freundin studiert und möchte nachmittags ein paar Stunden pro Woche arbeiten. Your friend,
Nachmittags is important. Hmm.
your friend studied and would like to work
After middays
after midday. Okay.
and ein paar Stunden, a couple of hours
Hours.
per week.
Okay. Okay. Wash Salon Express sucht äh, Aushilfen zum Waschen und Bügeln.
Aushilfen, ne? Aushilfen.
Aushilfen. Okay, zum Waschen und
Bügel.
Bügeln means
Bügeln is ironing. And this
ironing.
is
Okay.
von 8,
8 to 11,
von 8
8
bis 11.
bis
Von,
8 bis 11 Uhr.
see, write in your copy that I have also mentioned in the end. Von and bis combo.
Okay, von
From,
8 bis 11 Uhr.
ja, sehr gut. In Raum Köln. Köln is the city, na? Now let me zoom the other one
Okay.
for you because it's a little
Tull,
light, na?
Tull. Okay. Äh, Kinderbetreuung für 3 Tage pro Woche. Zwei Kinder 16 Uhr vom Kindergarten abholen und bis 18 Uhr betreuen.
Betreuung, Kinderbetreuung, betreuen to take care, look after. Okay,
Okay.
now tell me which task will
Und
suit.
Nachmittag means midday.
Nachmittag. After midday, na?
After midday means evening.
No, basically, yeah, 2 to 3 p.m.
Yeah,
onwards.
okay. Then day.
And all obviously second also, na, ein paar Stunden pro Woche. She's not there.
Yeah, few hours.
So this is just 3 days, 2 hours each, total 6 hours a week.
Hours, yeah, yeah.
So less, na? Kinderbetreuung, take care of children, na? Okay, let's move to the 9. Let's see what's there.
Sie suchen Freizeitpartner am Wochenende. Okay, free time partner.
Yeah, you are searching, na? And
Yeah.
on the weekend. Make
Okay.
sure on the weekend, not
Lieben
on
Sie
weekdays.
Literatur.
Literatur.
Literatur. Wir treffen uns jeden Sonntagnachmittag im Literaturcafé am Karlsplatz und sprechen über unsere Lieblingsbücher. Every Sunday after, evening.
Sunday afternoon, na?
Okay, afternoon. Okay. Theater fans e.V.
Yeah.
Hallo, Theater interessiere. Interessierte.
Interessierte.
Sorry.
Interessierte means interested person.
Interessierte. Wir gehen regelmäßig einmal pro Monat am Donnerstagabend ins Theater oder in die Oper. Kommen Sie doch mit.
Yeah, and Opa is opera. Okay?
Okay,
Opera.
Opera.
Regelmäßig is regularly.
Okay, regelmäßig.
Ish.
Regularly.
Regularly. Genau, sehr gut, sehr gut. So weit, so gut, Frau. मुझे आपका Nachname, I forget that always. Second name is a little difficult, right?
Sie brauchen neue Gartenstühle.
You need new?
Gardenstuhl.
What was Stuhl? Der Stuhl you have already learned.
Yeah, chair.
This is the plural of that, okay? Chairs.
Chairs. Okay. English Frühling. Die neuen Gartenmöbel sind da. Alles vom Gartentisch bis zur Hollywood-Schaukel. Jede Woche new Angebote.
Neue Angebote.
Neue Angebote. Noch bis Freitag 10%. 4%. What is the spelling?
Right. Let me show you.
Percent. Okay.
And Prozentanteil is percentage part, na? Portion
Okay.
of percentage. Okay. Percent price, percentage price. Gehalt is the payment na, that we get from our job.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, jede Woche neue Angebote noch bis Freitag. 10% Preisnachlass auf alle Sessel, Sofas und Bänke für Ihr Wohnzimmer. Okay,
Yeah. Let me show you Schaukel and let me show you Bank. Bank is
what
actually
is Sessel?
Sessel is the armchair. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Let me show you Sitzbank or Bank Banke. Write in your copy. Uh, the bank, the bank that is financial credit
Ja,
institute, and the banken. Their plural was banken, and this is again bank, but this plural is banke.
Sitzbank. Okay.
Ha, that's bank, na. And also like in garden also we see na. With
Ja.
in garden that is also same ditto. Write in your copy. Sitzbank.
Sitzbank. Okay. Also, it is in park.
Yeah, these ones na.
Ja,
Yeah.
Sitzbank.
Sitzbank. And then the other word was Schaukel. Schaukel. They have just given name of Hollywood Schaukel. Otherwise, it's like the swing, na?
Swing.
Yeah,
Okay.
swing is Schaukel actually. Yeah.
Mm.
This is
Yeah,
something.
we have in park.
Yeah.